What's going on, folks? Alright, I have got clamped up in the vise today an American 5200. You guys will recognize it. I've sent out several of these to different people. I'm actually doing this one for Bronx. He was asking me how I go about getting my cores out that are crimped. So we're gonna pick this one. Figured may as well go ahead and make a full video out of it. Go and pick this one and get it, show how I got it and everything else. Alright, locked up. And let's see. One is an anti-bump. I normally use a heavier tension on these because these are all standard pins. 5, 4 is good, 3 is good. And it's that quick. These are like ridiculously easy. Alright. I know it's not a challenge lock or anything, so I'm not too worried about staying in frame, but trying not to break habit. Alrighty, so let me grab this. And let's go ahead and disassemble it. There we are. I guess I don't need that yet. I really won't. Alright. So, alright, Bronx. Here you go. This is the double crimped core. If I can get it to focus. You can kind of see a crimp on that side. Then you can see the crimp on that side. This is the way I do it. Might be right, it might be wrong the way I do it, but this is my way. I'll clamp it up in the vise, and then good stiff tension wrench. This is the one I have from my Praxis kit. It's just nice and heavy duty. And then I will take and I will right in the keyway like that, and then I'll just massage the metal out. If I can keep it clamped up squarely. It's my first time having to do it at this angle. Just massage the metal out a little bit. It is very brittle metal. Let me see if I've got that. Nope. Still need to go more. Just takes a little bit of time. Every once in a while, flip your tension wrench over because you'll start to get a slight bow to it. Alright, I'm going to have to turn this towards me so I can see what I'm doing. Oh, you guys that keep your cameras right in front of you while you pick, I don't know how you do it. I haven't found a good way to set up. Alright, let's see if that works. And just tension wrench in the bottom, roll it 180, and see if I can squeeze that out. There we are. I like it to fit snugly when it goes back together, so I'll tap it out like that. You don't have to, you can do it however. I've actually taken and ground the, oh, forgot I zoomed in so far. But I've taken and I've actually knocked the back off of them, and put the clip on them later. But I just get it nice and flush like that. And then if I grab the right follower, just take a follower. I know this is smaller. My normal follower for doing American lock cores, another homemade one, went from 1/2 inch down to 7/16. So normally this is what I use. It's too big for these because I leave 1/2 crimped. This is 3/8 aluminum stock, round aluminum stock, and just follow it through. Just that slight difference in there is what makes it work. Alright, yep, number 3 didn't have to be picked at all. Now when it comes to repinning these, just always American Lock / Master, whatever you want to call them, always does it where they do the shortest key pin as the anti-bump. It works. Keeps them from having to make longer drivers because you don't require a long driver for an anti-bump anyways. It doesn't go all the way in the chamber. Alrighty, and let's see here. Wrong ring of keys. I'm rekeying this one for someone, so I guess I figured may as well make a video. Let's choose a good hard bitting. I've collected a few of these keys. Yeah, this one seems good. So, here's what we're keying it up to. Got a nice tall one behind a couple of lows. Now, I don't have a proper pinning kit for these. Mainly because I haven't bought one. This is actually one I've kind of pieced together. It's just right out of frame. But it does the job, so that goes in slot 2. I may have to switch 1 and 2 around. Yeah. I'll get a couple of these pins out of this. That will go in 2, 4. Try this one in number 1. Yeah, too tall. Alright, number 3. Yep, so I'm going to have to dig through this kit. Like I said, this is a kit that I've kind of placed together over time. So nothing is in order in here. Not what I wanted. Where I used to get these American locks cut all the time, I placed the kit together. So out of all the ones that were cut that I would find, let me zoom in a bit. Let's see. Now I do have an American kit, but those pins are not the right length for the new American keys. You gotta be kidding me. Keep grabbing one that's too tall and one that's too short. Eventually I will get this right. If not, I will go ahead and cut the video. But all of the new American locks, they all use the master lock pins. And I'm not quite sure I like that one. Yep, I like that one a bit better. And voila. Whoever's challenge, if you watch my channel, whoever's challenge it is to pick and then have swapped key pins around or whatever, if this works for your challenge, let me know. If not, no biggie. I've got a couple more I can do this to. So back in and put that up. Now we have a working lock. Now I just have to remember to go get a key made so I can send this lock out. Not naming names on this one because the guy doesn't know I'm sending it to him. Alrighty. And that's all there is to it. Alright folks, y'all know what to do. Hit me up. I'm going to link Bronx Lockpicker 60 down in the description. I will also link my Discord and my email down in the description, so if you want to talk to me, go ahead. Definitely join Discord. We got a lot of great people on there. The new rules for Discord, for my Discord server, did take effect on Friday. So all I ask is that when you join the Discord server, you get in there, got a nice little area for the new members. Come in there, give a little intro, like, hey, my name is so-and-so, I've been picking for this long, and what country you're from. You know, when you do that, I've got several admin, myself, Bronx Lockpicker 60, Don's Locks, and Leon's Lockpad. We're on and off a lot, so we'll give you full membership. We've got probably about 15 different chat rooms in there. Definitely come swing in there. Got lock trading and everything else. Just come in there and check it out. Alright folks, until next time.